Hi guys, welcome to a BTS of a week in the life of the EatNMess bakery. So laminating is my least favourite task of them all. It takes hours. Come on. Cricket. It is cry-cut cricket, however you say it. It's amazing. It does the job of everything. Use it all the time. Love it. Now peeling, that is like the most satisfying task. Can we all agree? Just watching, peeling, taking those little bits out the middle, just really enjoy it. Now this bit. If it goes right, which 80% of the time it does, then it's really super satisfying. But then sometimes it goes a bit wrong and it's annoying. But this is the best tool I've found actually. I got this on Amazon. It's called come back to me. I'll find out. Scrubber. Don't know. Anyway, how cool is this? Look, it just peels right off. Oh, this tastes great. That's my little mark. That's the little, don't be a bitch now. I mean, that's straight. How can I tell? Looks a bit wonky. It's a bit wonky now. I found my centre point, I know where that is. That's that tiny bit of pencil mark there. That's the centre point there, so it needs to be like there, but it needs to be obviously straight. So like, it's like so sticky. That's pretty good. Let's peel off. It's bad. Too small? So now that it's coming up to winter and it's cooler, we can start doing cake pops again, which everyone's very excited about. Literally, we use the tops of our cakes that we use for birthday cakes. We mix them with chocolate ganache and we fill our moulds with them. Just pop them in the fridge or the freezer and then we decant them. Someone asked the other day whether we put them in the oven. It's not a baking mix, it's literally just chocolate cake and chocolate ganache, and you can use this with vanilla cake, with buttercream, whatever you have left over. So don't waste those cake tops. Just keep them in the fridge, pop them in the freezer, save them for this. Some people call them cake popsicles, but we call them cake pops. It's easier to say. And then these moulds are from Silcopat. They're really good moulds. They're really durable. And then we just fill them, put the sticks in, which are the cake popsicle sticks, and you can buy these just on Amazon. They're really readily available. And then you literally just scrape off the excess. Always keep the excess and refill some more moulds, or if you have some left over, pop it in a Tupperware, put it in the freezer, and you've got excess left over for another time. Don't waste anything.
I feel like I'm going to keep it.
Right, where were we? So let's go shop for our boards. Some of the boards rather. 1st December to 30th, 31st December. Right, will it show our product? Yes. Let's change the quantity, yes. Brownie, no to brownie. That's too expensive.
It's like the one with gold icing. Huh? They normally don't sell at all.
That's weird. Snickerdoodle Blondie. Yule log. You know what? Yule log wasn't really out much. It was only when we had excess, don't forget. But that's actually quite high for an excess.
You always do the green one.
So I was going to look at doing an edible image of the...
To put on the end of it.
Yeah. That's right. Christmas list. Lauren's Christmas list. Well, here we go. Grinch Yule logs. Yes.
Just for witness, guys. My Christmas list. Well, why don't we do that Christmas tree cookie set with the bags slices so that people can decorate themselves.
Oh, so plain, fondant, and then you, what do you mean?
Literally just the plain cookies, a couple of bags of coloured icing.
Oh, royal
Tie it up.
icing.
Yeah.
Okay,
Just
fine.
as like a little gift, because loads of people like doing things with their kids.
Just got to make it look good, because there's another company that does them. I didn't like the way they were presented.
We can figure out our own way to do it.
Yeah, I just thought it was a bit basic. Yeah, so let's, like a decorate your own cookie kit.
Yeah. Because obviously a lot of gluten-free people can't get things like that.
No, and it's quite nice to have interactive with kids who are gluten-free as well.
Especially over the holidays.
Yeah, exactly. Cake pop, 100%, gingerbread man style.
Not too much gingerbread stuff.
People love a gingerbread. I almost bought it the other day, and Matt made me put it back. A mug, really big, like American style coffee mug, fake obviously, and it had loads of gingerbread in it, and like candy canes, thought to put on display, but I was told to put it back. I'll go back and get it, it's fine. But that was quite, but I thought that's quite cute. Everyone loves gingerbread, and
Gingerbread is cute.
when I was in HomeSense, everything is gingerbread. Like all the houses, all these men and like ornaments everywhere. So I think it is a good theme. Right, okay. This guy's too fragile. I've had him before. No.
Santa.
Yeah, we did. We haven't. It's an imprint. It's a, no, it's
fondant.
Yeah, it's fondant, but it's an imprint fondant thing I bought from I can't think of the company, but you know what I mean. We bought something. I swear I bought something from Boss and Bosses. It was really. Where's all the Bosser bits? Have we got two roll of Christmas?
No, but a lot of the printing stuff is in the sort of impress box.
What, and then all the impression mats as well? I'm missing loads of impression stuff. Hang on. House. Oh yeah. Ho ho. It said ho ho.
It says ho ho ho.
I know it said ho ho.
Oh, there's Santa.
Oh, there's Santa. That
Pink.
yeah. So that was.
Wait, what else are we missing?
I had like a gingerbread, like a candy cane, like this candy cane thing.
Oh, they're really nice.
That's it. It was that one. He was cute. For the decorate your own cookies at home, I've really just given them like a blank cookie and then a design to sketch. Is that how it works?
Some people do, or you can just let them do whatever they want with the shape of the cookie.
Okay, so you can give them an idea.
So you could give them a picture of what cookie
Could look like.
and then just give them like a little bit of sprinkles. Just
Okay, fine. Oh, I forgot about these. Look. These are my little impression things. I like these.
I don't have any other Christmas ones.
Oh, this has got 25th of December. Okay. Baubles.
I don't have the
Elf.
present one. Must be in another drawer. Oh no, there
The candy one, yeah.
is. So
I don't think there is one. What did we do last year? I can't remember. Got a sack. Got a sack. Santa's sack, remember? Oh yeah,
It
because
was
I
the
created that
fireplace
fondant
one.
set and no one bought it. I forgot I created that at home after my op.
No one bought what?
Me fireplace set.
Yes, I did.
It's not. Well, it's
I did
obviously
a couple.
it's obviously very low down on this list.
Yeah, I
Yeah, here
did
we
a
go.
couple.
2.
Oh, there we go. So I did a couple.
Oh.
Okay.
Santa's chocolate chip cookies didn't sell very well, did they?
I'm doing now.
I love those gingerbread cookies. Sandwiches, yeah. So they're like a snickerdoodle cookie, aren't they? And then sandwich with like a cinnamon ganache, maybe? Wouldn't that be nice? Idea plate. And the pinwheel cookies. Just to show what I'm looking at. Cute, yeah? This was a great idea. Did you ever see this last year? The cookie buffet. I mean, a lot of work. But it's basically fill your box and you pay for a box. Now, what do they have? They had.
How are we doing that? Where are we doing that?
Yeah, you could do it here. What a cool. I know it's already been done, but not in this area. cost. Well, there's loads of different cookies, but our cheapest ones for cost-wise. Okay, write that down as well then for idea. I feel like we should move away from too much decorating this year. I know it's a bit sad, but it takes so much time. And I feel like if the sales figures showed that we sold tons of ice cookies last year, I'd be like, okay, fair enough. But they didn't.
It was the first year we did it though.
I know, but I feel like our time could be effective in different ways that would make more money. That makes sense. I'd rather do more products of exciting variety than just do less and do fondant cookies.
Follow Laura Strong-Perry on Instagram, guys, if you want some custom cookies. I'm your girl.
Now it's time to cover the cake pops. This is our Christmas design, which we bring out every year. People love this one. Now, I'm going to leave you to guess what it is. Mind you, I'm going to tell you. It's Gingerbread Man. Everyone calls it Rudolph. Really upsets me. Really upsets me. I'm quite quick to correct them as well. It's a Gingerbread Man. So we use colour mill. It's an oil-based colour. Best to use on chocolate. Don't use gel colours, it will split your chocolate. So it's best to dip your cake pop moulds when they are firm from the freezer or firm from the fridge. If they're too soft, they become floppy and they fall off in your chocolate mixture. Not ideal. And then what you want to do is get a separate jug and use that to scrape off the excess from the bottom. If you don't do that, what will happen is when you place it on your greaseproof paper, you'll get a pool of chocolate, which is not really the idea. You want it to be nice and clean and neat. So what you're using here is we're using white chocolate that we've let set for a little bit, so it's a little bit firmer. Obviously, if it goes too firm, just re-microwave it again. And we just literally cut a very fine tip on our piping bags, because obviously chocolate's very free-flowing, so therefore will fall out the piping bag much easier than, for instance, buttercream, royal icing, that kind of thing. But look, they're quite obviously gingerbread men, right? The little squiggle, the colour. I see no Rudolph with that squiggle on his head. So these can be stored in a Tupperware, in the fridge, for up to 2 weeks. They last ages. See a cute little gingerbread man? Ignore the eyes, that was a tester. He looks a bit scary. We decided not to do those weird eyes. Look at his cute little cheeks. There we go, that's better, isn't it? The eyes look much cuter. Although I did say that he looks a little bit like, you know, Wallace and Gromit last year, the Christmas one, the gnome. You know when he goes bad, it looks a little bit like that, but I think he's cute.